how are you all? Hope you all are fine and liking my videos as we are doing chapter 6 of geography, major landforms of the earth. Today we will discuss define question answers and exercises of this chapter. Before that, do share this video with all your friends and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so that you will get all the notification. So we will start today with define the following. Coming to pass, collision, and two masses crash into each other. As I have told you, beneath the earth, the tectonic plates collides with each other. Then endogenous, the large landmass on the earth. Now fault. What is fault? A crack in the rock start. A layer of, or you can say, set of layers of rock inside the ground. Now coming to graben, the drop block of a block mountain. Now next is landform. Land features of the earth is called landform. Then valleys, low area of the land between hills and mountains. They are called valleys. Now relief, the variation in elevation on the land surface is called relief. Now coming to true and false. A rich variety of flora and fauna is found in mountains. That is true. Then B, plateaus are vast land of the stretch of the flat land. No, it is false. The correct statement is that plateaus are an elevated flat land. Then coming to C, plains are very useful because they are rich in mineral deposit. No, it is false. Plains are very useful because they are fertile flat land and plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. Then coming to D, as we go higher, the climate becomes colder. Yes. Now E, Mount Fusiyama in Japan is an example of volcanic mountain. Yes, it is true. Now coming to take the correct answer. The mountains differ from hills in terms of, because they are different with mountains. Hills are different with mountain in the term of elevation. Other than they are same. Then glaciers are found in, they are found in mountains. Then the Deccan Plateau is located in where? In Kenya, Australia, India or Japan? Yes, in India. Then the river Yangtze flow in, it's flow in China. Then coming to E, an important mountain range of Europe is, that is Alps. I will discuss this in the map when I will tell you the map. Now coming to fill up, a dash is an unbroken flat or a low level land. It is plain where you are living. Now B, the Himalayas and the Alps are example of, beta, they are the example of young fold mountains. Every year they are, or you can say they are growing inches, a few inches. Now coming to C, dash areas are rich in mineral deposits. Plateaus are rich in mineral deposit. Now coming to D, the dash is the line of mountains. Ranges are the line of mountain range. The dash areas are most productive for farming. So plains are more protective than for farming. Now coming to answer the following question briefly. What are the major landforms? Yes, the major landforms are mountain, plateaus and plains. What is the difference between a mountain and a plateau? So, the difference between mountains and a plateau is here. A mountain is any natural elevation of the earth's surface, whereas a plateau is an elevated flat land. Second, mountain is considerably higher than the surrounding area. Plateaus is a flat topped tableland standing above the surrounding area. Then, what are the different types of mountains? There are three different types of mountain. First is fold mountain, block mountain and volcanic mountain. Then coming to question D, how are mountains useful to man? So, mountains are useful to man in various ways. Mountains are a storehouse of water. Water from mountains is also used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. Then the forest provided fuel, fodder, shelter and other products like gums and resins, etc. Then several sports like paragliding, hand gliding, river rafting, skiing and are the popular in mountain. Then coming to question E, how are plains formed? Yes, I have explained you. When the river flow through mountain slopes, what they used to do? They used to erode the mountain. And the flowing river carried the eroded material and deposit that material like silt, clay and stone are gathered on the valley. This led to the formation of plain. Now coming to F. Why are the river plains thickly populated? So, river plains are thickly populated because of the fertility of the plains. It is easy to grow crops, variety of crops. And the plains are even and flat. It is easier to construct roads and make railway lines on them. So the construction of the transportation network comparatively easier. They also provide more flat land for building houses and cultivation of crops. So now coming to question G, why are they mountain thinly populated? Mountains are thinly populated because the climate is harsh at the mountain areas, the slopes are steep at the mountains and that reduce the land available for farming. Here we have completed the question answers exercises of this chapter. So stay connected by subscribing my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.